Ahoy-hoy! This is my third or fourth attempt at this video because I am also working from home and I've had dogs rattling bowls, I've had cats knocking over everything, I've had a cat in the shop, so let's see how this goes. So it's super weird at the moment. If you're a small business owner, you're not going to have any idea what's going on. You don't know when you can open your shop, you don't know when you can start seeing customers again. I don't know what's going on. We all need to be online. So we've come up with a few little handy things that we're going to be offering you. The cat is now playing with something on the floor. Come up with a few handy little things that we're going to be offering you just to help you to make the transition to becoming an online business. Some of them are free, freebies, and I am going to be so distracted in this video. So for our existing customers, don't forget that you can go to wearewestcoast.com/support, and there you will find a brand new ticketing system open 24 hours a day. If there's any problems that you're having with your setup, or if there's anything that we can add to your setup to help you to flourish in your pajamas, just pop a ticket in there and I will get back to you. As I say, it's 24 hours a day. Preferably don't contact me at 4 a.m. unless it's an emergency, but if it is an emergency, please do contact me at 4 a.m. And that's also, you know, if we can help you out with social media, if you've just got a website with us, just give us a shout, we're here for you. So for the rest of you, my new friends, I have got free, the equivalent of drop-in sessions, so they'll be online. We'll do it on Zoom because everybody's on Zoom at the moment, or by a phone call. If there's anything I can fix for you in 20 minutes or less, I will fix it there and then. If it's not something I can fix, I will advise. The cat is currently playing inside a shopping bag, sorry for the rustling. And if there's anything I can just assist you with, social media, graphic design, marketing in general, website, just book an appointment on our website. Link is up there and we can have a chat. So that's the freebie. And then we've also got, we are extending indefinitely our £30 a month website deal. So for a standard website, including a blog, you also get hosting on servers powered by 100% renewable energy and a domain. That's just £30 a month, or an e-commerce website would be £40 a month. So we can set that up for you right now and get you online as soon as you are ready. We've also got our special comeback kit. That's just a one-off payment of £60, and that includes a marketing strategy session avec moi, as well as a content calendar, social media audit, website audit, all the good stuff that will help you to thrive, as I say, in your pajamas with your animals all around you and your children being taught at your dining table. So all the links are above and I can't wait to hear from you. Hi.